Hey, it's Kyle with Alleycat Electronics of Effingham. Got a 2018 Hyundai Kona in here, and customer brought it to me to increase their horn power. So through my distributor, bought this Wolo bad boy horn, and down in this general area right here, up underneath there is where the factory horn was, and just to keep it simple, I grabbed the trigger right there, ran it to a relay. So positive trigger to the relay. I don't know what the current draw on the bad boy was, so I didn't want to hook it up with this existing horn, because this existing horn's only fused at 15 amp in this vehicle. But if you're looking for the horn location in this vehicle, right down in here, front driver's side. That's the main reason I'm showing this video, and to show that Alleycat Electronics can install some Wolo product, how we have access to that stuff. And here's the sound. I just used the existing horn switch. So similar to a train horn. I would say considerably louder than the original equipment, so quite an upgrade.